In front of me is Honor Magic 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on accessibility features. Then hit one-handed mode and use gray switcher to activate it. Following that, you need to follow all of those instructions. In my case, I have tricky navigation, so I have to slide my finger across the button of the screen. If you are using gestures, do exactly the same, just after the slide, you need to hold for a second. As you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, click on black area. And to change side of your shrink screen, just swipe in the opposite direction. Go back the same way. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!